Ever seen a PM task that just says, check motor or lube motor? Sounds simple, but is it really helping you prevent failures? These tasks are vague, subjective, and don't even target failure modes. This is something we see all the time at customer sites, where PMs are ineffective at detecting failures and don't actually reduce downtime. Let's optimize these tasks. First, we break assets down into components. Take a motor, for example. Then we define all potential failure signs, also known as failure modes, like lack of grease, excessive vibration, high temperatures, or loose bolts. Now we create tasks that specifically address those failure modes. That means using condition-based monitoring techniques like vibration analysis or thermography and highly objective visual inspections with defined measurements. For example, instead of a vague lubrication task, we specify ultrasonic-assisted lubrication with the exact grease quantity, frequency, and type. Now the task is clear, measurable, and will help avoid potential failures. We ran a PM optimization process on a tissue converting line and saw big results. From a total of 451 tasks, we removed 125 bad ones and closed the gap by adding 119 new optimized tasks. The impact was huge. 50% less manpower required 61% less planned downtime, and we reduced the run to failure by over 13%. The best part? These results came just from changing the way PMs were done, introducing failure mode-based tasks that actually detect issues before they lead to failures. If your PM tasks aren't helping you find failures and cut downtime, please contact us via our website.